about.
Woo! Quit playing.
YouTube family, it's your boy Fred, man, coming at y'all with another banger. In today's video, got my boy Big Head out here, man, another local YouTuber.
Oh, yeah, man.
Gonna let him drive the cat.
Y'all got to subscribe to my nigga, no cap, man. Y'all know y'all for lame in hell. Bro got some good ass content, no cap, bro. I be watching all your shit, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
I be watching all your shit, bro. Bro got that, hey, the Mustang though. Hey, bro, we done now. He took it down.
On me.
Oh, God, bro.
But yeah, man.
Let me go crazy with the cat, man.
We're gonna get his review to the cat. Y'all know he got the SRT 300. Catch y'all in a minute. See how we got my boy driving the cat,
hey,
man.
Why shit ain't bullshit? Why shit keep up? What shit keep up? Huh? Oh, shit. What do I know? You good? Boy, I need that bitch, boy. On my mama, boy. Hey, my boy shit running now, no cap. I'm telling you. My boy will race your ass now.
We'll race you.
What? So anybody who on my channel, y'all be talking about racing shit. But they the perfect nigga, boy.
Oh, God.
That boy gonna do something. See me, I be slime. See, bro gonna burn your ass.
On me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy, I need all him. Oh, yeah, boy. You just piped me up, bro. Boy, you got me feeling good. That cat. That bitch crying. Bro, she ain't crying, boy. God. Boy, that bitch feels so good, boy. Yeah, boy.
I'm telling you, boy, this shit addicting, bro.
Boy, that man gave me the red key, fam.
No cap.
Yeah, I am. Oh, yeah. Ooh. And that bitch stop on a dime.
Me.
What?
You gotta think that with 4 grown adults in the car.
What? With 4 folks in the car, fam? Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Boy, I like that bitch, boy.
Appreciate it.
On my soul, boy. Bruh, if y'all want to see some good ass content, man, y'all got to go subscribe, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro.
Tell it.
This bitch feels so good, bro. What you mainly ride in that bitch, though?
Shit, right here, custom.
That what you ride in?
Yeah, I ride
just like that?
Yeah.
No. Oh, yeah, you got to show there.
Yeah, I think we want to take, bro.
Huh? I am. Yeah, that bitch feel good as hell, bro. No bullshit, bro. Hey, y'all comment down below if you think I should get a cat.
Yeah, drop the comment, man. Tell my boy get a cat.
Alright, that bitch feels so good. Boy, do you hear that bitch? Oh my God. That bitch sounds so good. Hey, that nigga love this bitch though.
Oh God.
I'm already knowing, boy. I'm already knowing, bro. I'm in love with this bitch already, bro. This bitch feels so good.
Oh, me.
I'm telling you, bro. Anybody out there, bro, anybody that fuck with cats, if you fuck with power, period, bro, stay down, bro. I'm telling you, bro, stay down till you get your bro. I just got in this bitch and this bitch feel good. I'm already in love.
I'm telling you, that's how it was when I took it on the test drive. It was my first time driving the challenge. I like, I gotta get it.
Alright, that bitch feels so good. That bitch take off immediately. No hesitation. That bitch gonna pull. And that bitch gonna cry. That bitch gonna cry while I ride. Oh God. That bitch crying like hell. Oh yeah, boy. I'm feeling that. Damn, boy, that bitch feel good.
what, 275?
Oh, you need like 315.
Oh God.
Yeah. What that nigga shit crying like hell? What the hell? What it been a cat? This bitch is a cat. Oh my mama. Oh shit, it been feel good as hell. Hey, with this shit, I'm in love with the power already. Hell yeah, boy. What it be? Boy. Hell yeah. Nigga ain't even got no words for this bitch. Cat, fam.
That cat slip had you speechless, boy.
Boy, you gotta respect these bitches, bro. Hey, if you don't know what you're doing though, I advise you not to get one.
Oh
You
God.
gonna kill yourself.
Oh God.
If you don't know how to drive these bitches, fam, that bitch gonna turn. And you gonna be in somebody's yard.
On promise.
Mailbox and shit. Hell nah.
Off in them trees somewhere.
What? Nigga gonna be over there with that sign there. Nigga gonna be right there. You gotta respect these cat now. If you don't respect power now, you gonna fuck up. Tell
Me.
you gonna fuck up. Real shit. Nigga be getting these cars thinking they can drive and shit. You gotta respect these bitches.
Me.
I seen so many folk crying these bitches. You gotta respect these bitches.
Especially when you turn that traction off.
What? Ain't all the way off?
No, it ain't all the way off right now.
Yeah.
It ain't all the way off right now.
Oh shit. Yeah, when we do that, oh shit. Hey, when you slide that bitch, you gonna make it out, right? Yeah. That bitch. Yeah. Boy, that bitch feel good.
Hey, the best advice I got though, like when you slide it, to make it more controllable, it's easy to do it in second gear.
For
Like
real?
first gear got so much torque that like sometimes you may tap it a little too hard and spin out easy.
You don't do it in drive?
No, I don't do it in drive.
Oh,
I ain't never tried in drive, honestly.
yeah. Well, everybody I know they either do it in, yeah, like you said, 2.
Yeah.
Or they'll do it in drive. They said one too much. So
Man, one way too much, bro.
you gonna spin out.
Spin out every time.
Yeah. Well, you know, Reek,
Yeah.
he slide and drive.
Dang.
He slide and drive.
I'm gonna try it out though.
See, he slide and drive. See what he pulls, talking about ain't no cap. Yeah. Ooh, that boy got a cat, motherfucker. Boy, y'all nigga gotta respect that bitch, boy. I'm telling you, boy. You gotta respect real power. I just did that. I just did that. I just did a video when I put my pedal command on.
Yeah.
Damn. Hey, that's a long little walk.
On me.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boy, I need one of these bitches. Oh yeah. Boy, that bitch ready to pull something on me. These bitches, right? Saying this shit doing all that with weight in the car.
Yeah, with 4 grown
That
men
shit
in the car.
crazy,
Oh God.
bro. That shit crazy, bro. Hey, dog. Well, y'all folk know what y'all did on them one now. Don't count. Them folk know what they did.
Me.
Well, they built the hell out of these bitches. Hey, but one thing they didn't do, they didn't drop the price. Damn, you bitch high. Come on, y'all there, boy.
Oh God, this shit expensive as hell, boy.
These bitches taxing, hell. Well, a boat. I needed a boat, bro. That bill was like, what? You remember that boat that we were looking at for the power steering pump? Well, that bill was like $40 for one boat. Oh no! Hey, I did everything in my power to fund it. Hey, yeah, boy. Nigga ain't paying that.
Cause that Dodge shit, boy, your pocket gotta be right, boy. I promise you, boy.
Boy, you need bitches drink beer, fam.
And they drink.
Yeah. Outside? Yeah. You gonna stay?
I like about.
Woo! Quit playing, boy.
Y'all
Boy,
see it,
quit
man.
playing, boy. That bitch feels so good, boy. Woo, you got it, Lolo? Oh, yeah. Boy, hey, first time ever driving the cat now, on video now, on my soul. My God. Boy. It been, boy.
It's different, man. I'm telling you.
I get this car pregnant, fam. It been feel good as fuck. Damn, it been feel good, boy. But hey, I ain't gonna cap. Hey, also too though, I ain't gonna lie. But everybody who done read these bitches, but I owe you, bro. But I see how you can do it, fam.
Oh God.
I see how you can do it, bro. Cause like that bitch doing his own thing.
I promise.
You gotta, boy, that shit different, boy. You gotta respect these bitches, bro.
I promise.
You don't know what you doing? You gonna run into somebody's shit.
I swear to God.
Immediately, boy. You gonna fuck up. It ain't cat motherfucker.
Yo, this shit is not for a beginner, bro.
Yes, sir. They that man. They that man. No bullshit, bro. Nigga in the cat. This nigga, hey, this man Freddie got me in the cat, man. No cap. Y'all got to go tune in to my boy channel, man. No cap. I appreciate you, bro.
You know it, my boy.
But let me feel that bit.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see how I can feel, so I can get ready for my shit.
Oh, man.
Yeah, boy. I need one of these bitches, bro.
You gonna go charge or challenge?
But it don't even matter. I really just want to set up. I'll put it in 300.
I was just finna say that on God, that'll be hard.
I'll put it in 300 on God. That's what I really want to do. Put it in 300. That bitch gonna be all over the road.
Oh my mama. It gonna be different though, cause I done seen like niggas swap the 300, but I ain't seen them swap the first gen.
Yeah. First gen. It's two folk who got them though.
Yeah.
On Instagram.
I like them 300 too. I like a 300 more than a Charger, to be honest.
Boy, I love them bitches, bro. Cause it's luxury with the
Facts.
power. Then you had one of these bitches now. But Dodge, I'm on y'all land. Y'all should have did that.
Oh,
Them folks
man.
should have put a cat set up in that bitch. They should have did that shit, though.
Yeah, they should have did that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
That bitch is crying, fam. That nigga shit crying like hell. That shit fire.
Join the content, man. Make sure you click the like button, click
Yeah,
subscribe, click the bell so you know every time I post. And y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my boy channel too, man.
For sure, man. Y'all go tune in, bro. Go tune in to my boy channel, bro. No cap, bro. Bro got some lit ass content. No bullshit. Hell, boy. Oh my God. Hell yeah, boy.
Hey, you want to hit one more slide, you can bump that right.
One more slide?
Yeah.
Like, you talking about sliding one more time?
Yeah. Bump that
Yeah.
right. Yeah. Shit.
Boy, hey, I need it, man. Oh my God. Damn. So low. That bitch get sideways. Damn, that bitch get so sideways. Boy, ain't no way they be crying like that, bro. Ain't no way. We won't go. I tore that way.
Yeah, hit this right.
Boy, that bitch go crazy.
Then you hit this left right up here.
Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Cul-de-sac.
Yeah, two circles in here.
Huh?
Yeah, it's two circles in here.
Gee, 2 circles?
No, I'm saying it's two circles. You got this circle, then you got a circle down there. That's why I be sliding that sometimes.
What one better?
That one down here for real.
Yeah,
We got more space. Yeah, that's my little sliding spot.
You gonna get it from the inside then?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Boy, they done, man. Ooh. Boy, what? Oh, shit. Bro, this shit a drug, boy. This bitch is a real drug. I swear to God, boy. Ain't no way this bitch do all that, bro. There's no way. Dodge, why did y'all make this? Where the fuck y'all niggas come from?
Hey, and they be wondering why everybody love these shit, man. They just drive one, you'll see why.
Now I don't feel bad. Why nigga try to steal these bitches? Boy. Oh shit, boy. Boy. Ain't no way, boy. This bitch here feels so good. Oh yeah, the big yeah.
Oh, B.
Yeah, the big yeah. This bitch is so active. Oh my God. Yes, sir, boy. Y'all niggas stay tuned, bro. We got more shit on the way, me and my boy. We got more video on the way.
Hey, so before you leave them, boy, what's your honest take on the cat though? What you think?
On my soul, bro. I gotta get one for
yeah.
them. I gotta get one, bro. Ain't no way God made these like that, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Boy, you got you something, boy. You be pulling, bro.
I'm telling y'all, you drive on one time, you'll see.
Drive one time. That's my first time driving one now. First time really driving one, bro. That bitch feels good, bro.
You'll see what all the hype about.
Cat, bro.
You need a cat,
bro. If you got a Hemi or anything like a scatter, anything like that, and you want a cat, bro, don't steal it, bro. Just stay down, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Oh God.
I'm telling you, bro.
It's on the way.
Come out way better.
Yeah.
You gotta watch your back and shit.
That.
You gotta get one of these bitches, bro. It'd be hard, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Y'all know my boy, he got the SRT 300.
Paint on the way.
Yeah, paint on the way, man.
I'm still building it, motherfucker.
Y'all hear that 6.1 Hemi? Boy, I got the SRT 300. Alright, y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you are subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the bell so you know every time I upload content. Like I said, y'all don't want to miss out on this content. This content be lit. But I'll catch y'all in the next video.